Money gone, fuck friends. I need a homie that know me when all these motherfucking cops be on me. I got problems, ain't nobody calling back. Now what the fuck is happening with my ballin' cap? Remember me, I'm your homie that was down the brawl, sipping Hennessy, hanging with the clowns and all. We used to do is drink, brew, screw, and come and knew we had bitches by the dozens. We fucking cousins, you can throw your middle finger if you feel me low.
So my favorite part about these wheels obviously is how they look, of course. I got these for a really good price off my friend who sold his M4, but they look amazing. And if I have some springs, if I put them on the springs, they will fit so nice off with the springs. What I hate about them, I'm not gonna lie, how they are right now, they're perfect with stock height. They will fit, they won't rub. You get a certain tire. I have a 255 by 19 with a, in the front, I believe this one's a 235 19, 235 35. If you get these tires with these wheels, I'm not gonna lie, if you find an M4, M3, someone trading their stocks, you can fit these wheels. They're 19s, but if you want something that looks good, then these are perfect for you. But you want something that drives, like if you're trying to grip, I'm thinking about getting this with Apexes, like 17s, if it's putting a meaty ass tire. I'll put them on the screen right now. Something that I'm trying to get. This is what my ideal fitment would look like. But I had a vision with these wheels. They look good for now. I'm gonna keep them for now. They look really good on my car, blacked out. But when I want to go like big power, then I'm gonna need some 17, some smart wheels with a meatier tire. Because these don't really grip like that. These just look good. So now, if you want to run lower suspension on these wheels, you will have really good fitment. If you get like a 2-inch lowering spring, H&R springs, that should be perfect. The front will sit really nice. I had a test fit on my friend's car, same spec as me, but he has lowering springs and it sat really well. But the rear, you will need about maybe, I think, what, like a 8 mil to 10 mil spacer, and just to push it out a little bit because it will rub on the struts back there. But other than that, you can run these wheels if you really want to on the 335i. E90 would fit way better as well. E90 fits. But for the E92, you shouldn't have any issues with them if you run a big enough tire in the front. So I have right now a 235 in the front, like I said. And it's like stretched. It's very skinny sidewall. I don't like that shit, man. Because this shit, sometimes it debeated a few times. I'm not going to lie. So I would go for a 245. 245 would be perfect with the front. But these are 19 by 9.5, 19 by 10. So yeah, this is how I put my 335i on M4 wheels. Thank you guys for watching.